So we were commissioned from Leighton House to work on these 7 furniture pieces, including a display table, 2 shelving units, the 2 benches, reception desk, and the bar there. And this design, yeah, he even designed it himself.
Okay, so ready? Am I really going to do this to you? Find where one of those moves. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now
You slide it down.
Now down.
It's already doing something.
No, it's really terrible. And it's just
I think
repeat
just-
over down, over down.
You have to go one way down.
You go down.
That's
more. Yeah. No, you got it.
I think because it's on the...
Okay, it's just because it's
I think
on
it has to go down. It's, and then, oh wait. Oh, that's again. It was like...
How did you manage to do this?
That's actually a question which an artist will ask. And I'm sure you're an artist yourself.
Did you do the under?
So we need, like I've worked on the texture first, and then I put the calligraphy, turquoise calligraphy.
I'm Jack Bell. Well, I do this quiz.
Yes. Jewelry lines, particularly for women. Just.
And the design?
Yes, yeah, particularly in Afghanistan. I think the young men and women are coming forward with designs that are really interesting. One more stop just to show you the original.
1873, and so it was probably brought back and then converted into this seat on the stair.
We were just discussing that we thought it's like a full chest, but eventually, it became one seat.
Still visitors are home step will walk through because they can book up and just walk.
That is very easy to do.
So this was largely restored container
But that would still be fixed.
That was still fixed.
This was
That was there, but the dome had been printed over in the post-war. All the contemporary descriptions say the sun lights up that glass and you would have a sort of view.